I have this friend na lagi akong tinutulungan. Isang tawag ko lang, nandyan na yan. Ngayon nagtayo na siya ng business chicken wings dyan sa Bulacan. So ngayon, humingi siya ng recipe na masarap. Ito, gagawa natin. Let's begin. Make sure na fully covered ng chicken breading yung mga manok nyo. Any brand of your choice will do. Then, i-fry nyo na. Naka-medium heat to and I'm using coconut oil as always. Until golden brown, this took around 15 minutes. Let's do the sauce. Around 5 pieces ng garlic, gadgarin nyo. Then, mag-isa na tayo. Around 1/4 cup ng butter. Nasa low heat to, gisa nyo ng garlic until golden brown. Then, ilagay nyo na yung panimpla natin. This is 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup mirin or any rice wine vinegar. Pampasarap, liquid seasoning, kayo na bahala. Sweetener, depende na sa inyo kung gaano katamis yung gusto nyo. Add konting salt. Simmer until mag-caramelize, then i-drop nyo na yung fried chicken. Toss and make sure that the chicken are covered completely with the sauce and top with sesame seeds. Napakasarap. Nagawa ko ng sausawan nito. Mayonnaise, garlic, and milk para maglabnaw siya. Tapos, dipping sauce na yon or i-drizzle nyo on top. And that is it. Napakasarap niyan. Try nyo yan. Anong chicken wings flavor pa gusto nyo? Comment kayo.